Hey guys! So today was painting day and cleaning after cleaning day and painting, so it was fun. I'm gonna take you off the tripod. Woo! Here you go. So this is the part I kind of painted because I thought I had my cover was safe, was like not, but I don't have this part. It broke off. So for today the plan is to put this back on, which we painted back, to put the blocking off plates, to take out the thermostat. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you is the subframe. If you remember from like last episode how it looked, and now it looks magnificent. So I'm gonna put you to time lapse and yeah, and show you that. And we're back. We've changed these. I didn't paint over this because, I don't know, my OCD didn't kick in. It was pretty hard to get them on, don't know why. But now, on the plan is to change this gasket from my old top end and change few exhaust studs, or I don't know how they're called, but because if you come here, you can see this one is a little bit banged up. These two need to be changed, so I'll be changing them. I have one new, one old, and yeah, I think that's. Oh, and I'm gonna change these screws because they are worn to death. And again, I'm putting you back to time lapse. And we're back. We almost finished all of the screws. Put the nuts into the ultrasonic cleaner. Few of them were very stubborn, so I had a hard time with it, but it turned out okay. All of them are working and very nice. But we have a problem upstairs. In the upper section, you see these different screws. In this one, this is not very good. So next episode, I'm gonna ask my friend to bring the Newton-meter wrench because I don't have one in the garage. So we're gonna try to see the gaps, change these screws to the original ones, see what's going on there, and that's gonna be for the other episode. But for now, we changed the gasket for this. And I think this is gonna be it for the series. So, see ya guys!